me, Aarohi Kunwar from grade 7A2, standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic, happiness is the greatest way to a healthy life. Happiness is one of the most crucial elements of a healthy life. But how can we be happy? We people look for happiness in the external world, but there is no true happiness, only satisfaction. The true happiness is inside us. We should look for it within us. I used to always see a lady doing some yoga. She always looked so happy and healthy. So one day I asked her, "How are you so happy and healthy?" That day she told me that happiness is something that comes from the inside. So that's why I'm happy, so I'm healthy. That day I learned an important lesson that if we are happy, we are healthy. Researchers have also proven that happy people are more stronger, they live longer, and they build amazing relationships. Science also says that when we are happy, our body releases endorphins and other chemical hormones, which not only elevate our mood, but also boost our immune system. In essence, happiness is a natural remedy to many common problems. Let's take an example of a plant. If we take care of a plant properly, the plant will be happy. So then it will be healthy. So it will give us a beautiful flower. But if the plant is unhealthy, it will be unhappy. So it will decay. Just like that, we human beings need to be happy if we want to be healthy. Mahatma Gandhi has also said that happiness is when what you do, what you think, and what you speak are harmony. When people are unaware that happiness is in the reach of everyone who takes their time to be kind. We live in a world that often compares happiness with medical advancement, diet, and exercise. While these things are undoubtedly important, we always overlook one crucial element, and that is happiness. When we overlook happiness in our life, we get multiple mental problems like depression, anxiety, and many more. So many people try to resolve these problems by looking for their happiness in these gadgets like mobile, TV, laptop, etc., while they find no happiness there. When we want happiness, there should be good understanding among friends, communication with family members, and within our busy schedule, we should take at least 10 minutes or 20 minutes of our time to know what we are and what we are capable of doing. Before I conclude, I would like to state a quote that Gautam Buddha had once said a very long time ago. He had said to never look for your happiness in others, because then you will feel alone. But to look for your happiness in yourself, because then you will feel happy even when you are alone. In conclusion, I would like to say, happiness is not a destination, it is a way. It nurtures our health and brings positivity in our lives. So let's all of us be happy and healthy. Thank you.